Hey everybody, it's Dr. Guy, author of The Dissertation Warrior and founder of the Dissertation Mentor Accelerator Program. Dissertation Winter Camp is upon us. Registration is happening right now. If you want to make a major splash in your dissertation in 2021 and you want this year to finish strong, then this is your ultimate opportunity to lock in progress and work with me. If I can save you 1 month of time, how much is that worth to you? What about 2 months or 3 months? The material we're going to be talking about in this winter camp is going to change your life. It is going to help you make progress. Registration is right now. December 21st, 22nd, and 23rd, 2020 is our winter camp. And if you can't make it live to the calls because you are doing awesome holiday things, recordings will be available to you as long as you're a subscriber to this flagship program, the Dissertation Mentor Accelerator Program. I have helped thousands of dissertation students, doctoral students like you, help make their dreams come true. And my great hope is that you'll allow me the opportunity to do the same. So take care of yourself and please register right away as we go here into this winter retreat. Take care of yourself, team.